What will win in a drag race between a Rolls-Royce Cullinan Black Badge, the new Mercedes-AMG G63 and a Tesla Cybertruck? So I'm going to race them over the standing quarter mile. The Tesla Cybertruck dual motor has 608 horsepower, weighs 3,000 kilograms, and with upgrades and import charges cost Yanni £150,000. Rolls-Royce Cullinan Black Badge has a 6.75 litre twin-turbo V12, 600 horsepower and 900 newton meters. All-wheel drive, it weighs 2,660 kilograms, and the Cullinan now costs £380,000. Mercedes-AMG G63 has a 4 litre twin-turbo V8, 605 horsepower, 850 newton meters of torque. All-wheel drive, it weighs 2,640 kilograms and costs from £185,000. Right, let's just do a sound check before we race. It's all right. It's a Rolls-Royce, so it's got to be quite sedan. Whereas it's crap. Yanni, just make a noise, please, with your mouth.
I'll be honest, your twos are both rubbish.
Anyway, enough of that. Let's get on with the racing, all right?
3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Oh, I'm good to go! I'm good to go!
I'm reeling him back in though, come on!
Oh my god, I beat them both! Oh my god!
Stewards, can you check whether there was a jump start? I was a bit slow, I think you got a better... Let's find out if Yanni jumped.
Yeah, Yanni jumped.
Let's go again, and don't cheat, Yanni.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, G-Wagon, let's go!
Come on! Come on! Come on! V12! V12!
Oh, the Cully's coming.
Ah, no, the Cullinan!
I came first, and Matthew came second, you came last, Tommy, and my launch wasn't even on point, and I still beat you.
Listen.
Shut up.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, what happened there? This just didn't pull off the line. Oh, no, not again.
So I'm winning.
Get him, get him.
Matt, you come like a train, mate. Hey, listen, when you accelerate in this car, the wheel starts to do this.
I don't know who won that. Did I beat you in a drag race?
Just that one, the second one. I'm not sure who won that one. So I won one, you won one. That should have been the decider, I think.
So then, what exactly happened? Well, it was a very close race, but the slow motion action replay, Tesla won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 12.9 seconds. Mercedes, which just narrowly beat the Rolls-Royce, though both cars crossed the line in 13 seconds. Let's do this rolling race. 3, 2, 1, go. Kick down. This was too relaxed.
Let's see.
Absolutely smashed.
No way am I gonna win.
Oh, come on, he's gonna be close.
Oh, wow.
So Tommy, you beat him. I was reeling you in, you reeled him in and actually got past, but I came last, you came first. Yanni?
Yeah, I came second.
3, 2, 1, go. Right, am I going to catch this G-Wagon? I think I'm going to. Come on. Come on, Rolls!
No, not the Cullinan! Not the Cullinan!
Come on! Come on, the Rolls!
Not the Cullinan! Not the Cullinan!
Come on, the Rolls! Come on, the Rolls! Okay, now we have a brake test. From 100 miles an hour, the car that stops in the shortest distance wins. If you'd rather watch another drag race with a Tesla Cybertruck, then just click on the pop-out banner. I'm on it. Come on, beat that G. Beat that G. Yes! No! Yes! I thought you were going to beat me, then at the last bit your car went, yeah. Mine dug in better. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. Let me know which one of these three cars you'd rather have in the comments below.